Good morning everyone, my name is Storm and this is Storm Adventure Time. I decided to do a daily vlog today and I have a very exciting thing in the evening. Now I'm just heading through this obstacle course to the gym, and after that, when I get back home, I'll be heading for some shopping in the evening to Canary Wharf where there are lovely winter lights, so let's go! Hello guys! So the last time I vlogged was on the way to the gym this morning. Now it's 4 in the afternoon and my day didn't go as planned at all. So I woke up this morning with a horrible headache. I went to the gym still. I came back with even worse headache, and then I pretty much just had painkillers and spent the rest of the day in bed because I just couldn't do anything. So now I'm heading to Canary Wharf to finally see the winter lights, and I'll show some, at least a little bit, the nicest parts to you. And after that I'm finally going shopping because I need to buy a few things, so on the way home I'll stop at Oxford Street and Regent Street because I do need to get a Hamleys, because honestly that's the best toy shop I know. So yeah, let's get going, even though it didn't go as planned. I feel like it's getting more crowded and crowded every single year, though it's still a really nice event. This was something like optical illusions with light, but oh my goodness, it was so hard to get through. It's sitting right in the middle of the bridge. This was one of my most favorite installations. I love this dancing fountain, and I did a live stream on Instagram stories, so if you want to check what I'm usually up to on everyday basis, don't forget to check out and follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description box below and on the screen. Alright guys, I am done with winter lights. To be honest, I've been going to this event for the past few years, and I would say it's a little bit disappointing this year, but there were a few really nice installations which I liked, and I got out of the house and had a nice walk. But now let's get to central London for some shopping. I am looking for a new perfect handbag for traveling. Those from Accessorize are close but not 100%. So much Lego choice at Hamleys, so hard to choose. I think I found the winner. I hope my cousin doesn't have one yet. Alright guys, so that's it for today. My shopping ended up being super quick because I went to a couple of stores because I need some daily things like shampoo, conditioner and so on. And then I popped into John Lewis, started taking the escalator upstairs, and there was an announcement that the shop is closing in 15 minutes. I checked that time, it was 7:45, so I started rushing to Hamleys and I was very lucky. I managed to get here in time, pick a gift for my cousin, which I will need to send next week. And as soon as I went back home, anyways, I think it was quite a good day, even though part of it didn't go as well as I wanted, but it was still really lovely. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share it. And if you would like to see more of my videos, I do a lot of travels, some vlogs, and as well a little bit of bullet journaling as well. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see all of that, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!